It's at the First Presbyterian Church in Lake Forest. I guess that indicator doesn't work. We'll go down to LL. All right, up to 2. This is a Westinghouse. Look, it says hand. And also it has the, that's not a Schindler interlock, that's Adams, that's Westinghouse. Oh, this is definitely a Westinghouse. Kind of creepy up here. Oh yeah, and then it has the little short call station. This thing's definitely Westinghouse. Oh, and it has the Westinghouse sort of like pattern that it has. If I can show it. You can see like those indents on the metal. That's a Westinghouse thing. That weird like shape up above the car, or above the car door. This is like the only Westinghouse in Lake Forest. Also, it says hand. That's Westinghouse. Jesus. And of course, Westy has the impatient Westinghouse store closing. Anyway, that's it. And here's some peaceful music. Where's it even coming from? I don't even see the singers. Oh, they're probably in there. Anyway, that's it.